head protection, a vest to reflect me. And why do you think I'm wearing these protectors on a construction site? So I'm sharing this with you because over the years, I've learned that having a mentor speeds up your success. And I learned that as a business, as an entrepreneur, you've got to mix your business with your life. So I'm currently wearing this head protector, this reflector, because I'm doing my exercise. I haven't put in my exercise yet. Now, because I also live very closely to my apartments. And welcome to whoever is viewing my live video today. I also am visiting my property. Oh, hi, Maria. Thank you for watching. So I'm also visiting my property here today. So it's hitting two birds with one stone. Exercise and inspection of the properties. And this is what I love about being a landlord, having your free time. When you're able to grow and scale your apartment business, then you can mix your life and business together. And I'm only able to do that when I grew and scaled, because in the beginning, when I started, I did everything myself. Now, not like this work, but, cleaning, mowing the grasses, sidewalk snow clearing. And if you want to see what I really did, you can check out my YouTube videos. It's actually there. And you can also check out my Facebook. And so what I did was I made sure that I stopped over, talked to my contractors to see how the renovation is doing. So currently we're prioritizing. I learned from a contractor, there's two important things outside to protect your investment inside. One is the roof, and second is the siding. So currently we are taking care of the roof. So this is shingles, it's one sheet. And so what we are doing to save on time and expense, we're adding metal. So you can actually use metal on top of a one sheet of shingles. In that way, it's faster to do your renovation work. And so this is where Julio, he's not here. So that's how you actually do your life and business mixed together, intertwined together. And if you checked out my other videos, I actually showed you how I came across on this property. I was also doing driving for dollars. So beside this property is one of our property, and I was walking around, driving around my property, my neighborhood, and I found out that there was a paper attached to the door. And I'm like, oh, what is this paper beside my neighbor's house? And lo and behold, it was the for sale, the sheriff foreclosure. So that was a notice that the house will be in auction or in the sheriff sale at some point in time. On that, when was it? May, sometime in May. As you can see, I have the barn garage here that needs more work, but I was walking around the neighborhood and I found that property by just driving around. Driving for dollars is what they call it. So that's how I was able to capture this property at a great price. Because why? It was on foreclosure. So when I bought it for foreclosure, it was half the price. And now if I bought it full when it was in the MLS listing, then I have to put more money in for the renovation work, because I bought it at a good price. They say you make money when you buy properties. I do believe that. And I also believe that making money is how you manage your assets. So because I bought it at a great price, now I have that fund, that other half, to do the improvements inside. Roofing, side, heating and cooling. I was here with my contractor, the heating guy, and we'll look over the heating and cooling for this property. The interior renovations, the kitchen, the bathroom. So there's two things that is very important when you're doing the renovation work. One is kitchen, and second are the big bathrooms. So guys, stay tuned. I will be doing more videos. So stay tuned for more of Apartment Prescription. My name is Ria. I'm a family medicine physician and a geriatric physician. And my husband and I, over the years, have invested over 80 apartment units in our local neighborhood. And we could not have done it without learning from others, learning from our mentors, spending that time, spending that money into our own personal development. Because if without that, then I guarantee you I could not have grown and scaled our apartments to where we are. So Stay tuned for more. Why? Because wealth cannot wait. I'm going on my bicycle, and this is available in the Riverside. So for those of you who wants to rent out the Riverside property, you're going to enjoy this carbo bike too. This is a folding bike that is available in the riverfront property. Not only will you have this bike, but you also get to stay in the 2-bedroom riverfront home. You're going to be able to have the ability to boat. And speaking of boating, my brother Lyle and Maria, my brother's wife, is in the process of buying that boat to get to Danville, Pennsylvania. So come join us, okay? Either you, number one, you can rent out our riverfront property, or number two, you can join me and my husband in our total live immersion apartment prescription. It's a 3-day event, August 4, 5, and 6. And we're going to talk about apartments, how you can grow and scale your apartments, how we've bought them over the years. And we're going to have lots of fun. We're going to go fishing, boating, and go out to town. And we're going to do a bus tour or two of our apartments. So guys, bye.